Hey friends, if your PC monitor turns off after every few minutes randomly, then please watch this video. Now obviously the first one would be to check the cable connections. Why would you check the cable connections? Because if the cable connections and the HDMI cable is loose, then further solutions won't matter. The second solution will be to check the power settings. Now I'll show you why. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select display, in the right pane select power and battery settings, expand screen and sleep, and make sure that this option turn my screen off is set to never, at least at this point of time, to isolate the cause. Okay, then you can verify the graphics card. How would you verify the graphics card? So I would say that just update the driver, search for device manager, expand the device manager, and then expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first one, update automatically, and the second one also update automatically. Similarly, if updating doesn't work, then go to the same page, expand display adapters, right click on the first one and uninstall the device, right click on the second one and uninstall the device, action and scan for hardware changes. And the last solution is to use a third party software, but that is for updating software products. Here's the thing, these days it is not required, so we will omit this option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.